So I replaced my Toyota 4Runner 2010 battery. I was having problems with the power windows. They were going crazy. They would go up and bounce down to the half again by themselves, all of them. Sorry for the mess. Making this video because I couldn't find no video of this year, so might help someone else. I turn it on and then she'll do this. That's what it would do. That's what it's doing. And then if you roll it down, it will stay like there. You just press all the way down for 10 seconds. It goes down by itself. Wait. And then roll it back up all the way and wait. Just wait. It's like maybe 5 to 10 seconds, I don't know. That's the way I could do it by myself with no help. And now they're ready. And on the by itself. Ta-da.